up? It's Champion Dude, and today I'm going to be, this is not normal for me at least. I'm going to be singing a song by my brother behind the camera right now.
He's
but
cool.
He calls himself MH. This is called I Praise You. Now I might change the tune for what he wants, but.
Yeah, have you ever felt this way? Like all you feel is just some pain. Don't laugh, this is serious. Not hilarious, don't embarrass me. But I just found the medicine. It's a guy named Jesus. He leaves us and maybe we can make it through. And that's why I praise you. Even though whatever human has been through, I praise you. Although probably all of us feel like we only lose, I praise you. Yeah, you are my only line of defense. That's why Satan doesn't score touchdowns. But for us the game never ends until I die. Will I go to heaven or hell? Will I get the key or just stay in myself? That's what society's saying, they confuse. But trust God, has he done anything wrong? No, he's perfect and so are we. But then Adam and Eve committed the first sin. And there was separation from people and God. But that's not the end of the story. For years and years after that, people turned away from God. Just look at what happened to them. Floods, confusion,